In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can fix the missing Msvcp140d.dll error on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First thing we need to do is to download and install the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable package. So for that, we need to open any of the browser that we're using. So let's go with Chrome. Go to the Windows search bar and type Chrome. Click on it. I will share to you the download link in the description box below so that you can go directly into the page. And then scroll down, you'll find the link for the download link for the architecture of your Windows. So check the system type of your Windows. Open system information in the Windows search bar. Click on that. And then check the system type. And you'll find the architecture of your Windows. Click the download link that corresponds to that. And that will be downloaded. Once downloaded, click on that. Okay, so wait for that to load. Then double click. And simply click the option to install it. Now, if in case you have already installed this into your Windows, then you can try to repair it. So we need to go to the Windows search bar again. And we need to type appwiz.cpl, appwiz.cpl, control panel item, click on that. You'll find all the installed Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable package on your Windows. So what you can do is you need to repair each of them. So right click, select change, and click on the repair button. Wait for the process to be done. So you can do that for each Microsoft Visual C++ that you have installed into your Windows. Just try to repair it. Now, after you have done installing it or repaired it, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Do not forget to restart your Windows after doing so. Then the next thing that we can do is to download the latest updates for our Windows. So for that, we need to click on the Start button and go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update. We need to update our Windows because this comes with the necessary files or updates that we need. So simply click on Check for Updates. Okay. Now once you're updated, just simply try on that. And the last thing that we can do is to try to reinstall the program that is giving you the error. So if it is let's say for example, Firefox browser is giving you the error, then try to reinstall it. So click on the Start button and go to Settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you'll find the option Apps. Click on that. Click on Installed Apps. Locate the application that is giving you the error. So click on the three dots, select Uninstall, and then click on the Uninstall button and just simply reinstall it into your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you for watching the video.